Hey, girls! Sarah here. If you're watching this video, chances are you're looking for more information about Vigorelle before making a purchase. Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll provide you with all the details you need to know about this incredible product. But before we dive in, I have two crucial alerts to share, so pay close attention to everything I'm about to say. First and foremost, it's crucial to be cautious when choosing where to buy Vigorelle. This product is exclusively available on the official website. It's not sold anywhere else. Buying Vigorelle from any other website may result in receiving a counterfeit product that could pose health risks. So, exercise caution. To assist you further, I've included the official website link below this video. Click on it with confidence and without any concerns. Now, let's talk about Vigorelle and whether it actually works. The answer is a resounding yes. Vigorelle is the ultimate solution for enhancing your sex life. It features an all-natural, water-based formula approved by doctors. As the highest quality topical sexual enhancement cream, Vigorelle utilizes the purest botanical extracts and naturally derived ingredients. If you're a woman looking to enhance your libido, lubrication, and overall sexual pleasure, Vigorelle is the safe and effective solution you've been searching for. Its unique blend of herbal and natural food-based topical ingredients makes it the next generation of sexual enhancement for women. Vigorelle offers a refreshing minty scent, smooth consistency, and long-lasting sensation. It's the perfect solution for couples experiencing a lack of sexual fulfillment due to decreased libido and diminished enjoyment. Remember, there's nothing wrong with you. Many women feel the same way and desire more. The great news is that thousands of women have discovered the secret to rejuvenating their sex drive and enjoyment. Now, it's your chance to feel sexy and alive again. The best part? Vigorelle's effects are immediate. No pills, no manuals, no awkward positions or complicated techniques, just a deliciously smooth cream that transforms every touch and stroke into a whole new sensual world without boundaries. However, it's important to acknowledge that everyone's body reacts differently, which is perfectly normal. Some individuals may experience results sooner than others. Additionally, Vigorelle isn't a magical solution that works with just one use. Consistency is key. Use it regularly for at least 2 or 3 months, and even better results can be seen after 6 months. One aspect I truly appreciate about Vigorelle is its lack of side effects. With 100% natural ingredients, you can use it worry-free. Another important point to consider before making a purchase is the 67-day trial period. If you don't see results or aren't satisfied for any reason, they will refund your money. I genuinely hope this Vigorelle review has been helpful. See you!